In this video, we are going to be analysing BBIG. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key support levels if we continue down? And as of right now, our closest support is 72 cents. We can see that is very close to that 52-week low, but is our statistical mean on the 6-month chart. So if we start seeing some buying pressure, this is probably the level that we'll see it. However, if we do continue lower, what are other supports we are focusing on? And the other support will be the statistical mean on the 1-year chart, which is 60 cents. So these are really the only two statistical levels we could do. So if we were to break these, you would just be having to pay attention to the key psychological levels. So 50 cents, 25 cents, and probably 10 cents if it went that low. But that is probably quite unlikely. And even if we did sink to those kind of, 50 cents or below, more than likely what you would see if we were to stay there for a long amount of time, you would probably just see a reverse stock split in the stock, and then you'll probably actually end up seeing more volume towards this stock once that happened. Now, onto the resistance side of things, what are we paying attention to if we get a pop in this stock? And that is going to be $1.65. If we break that, we're looking at $2, and then final levels taking us to around $2.60, $3.50, $4.50, and the final two at $4.95, so kind of $5, and $6.35. So again, yes, we have a lot of levels here, but you don't need to pay attention to all of them. For example, if you're paying attention to the upside targets, you're holding the stock long, you want to know what your upper targets will be. All you need to pay attention to is firstly this closest one. So in this example, $1.64. Then all you need to pay attention to is the break. If we break this, you're really waiting for that comeback to test it as a support. If this level holds, and that's the key thing, once you come back for that retest, if the level holds, then all you have to pay attention to is really that next resistance, because more than likely, if you hold the level as support, you expect to push to the next deviation level, which in this case would be $2. On the other hand, if we end up coming for the retest and failing, or we just come for the original test and fail, then really you could be in a bit of a tricky situation, because if you are bag holding or you're just holding the stock long, it probably is going to sink, so it's probably a better idea to usually get out of the trade. Anyway, that is the breakdown on BBIG. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these two analysis videos.